Alright, check me out. Never lose the original key. That's the title. What we got? Acura TL. Most of these Hondas, whatever. I'm gonna make it short and sweet. Don't lose the key. Why? Because this man was having a problem with his car not starting. This is the key he got made. But this is something I want y'all to look out for on these Hondas. Now check this out. This is the original key. Thank God he had it. Alright, check me out. Alright, now you see that flashing light? You got two keys. The original one, you see it's messed up, but he said it was in the house. Thank God he had it. So I'm sitting out here, the car was cranking, right? But it wasn't starting. I'm like, oh my God. So I'm doing the basics. I checked the fuel pump. I heard the fuel pump. I actually got no pressure. They ain't got no pressure thing up there. So I said, all right. So then I went back to the trunk, popped the thing off, getting gas. I'm like, ah. They disconnected the battery, so I had no check engine light. I'm like, dang. So while I'm getting the original key, took me like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, but original key. So now look at this. Original key. No flash. Starts right up. I said, ain't this a goddamn. Learn something new every day. So if you got a Honda, you got an Acura, and you messed up the key, and it's stranded, and you didn't start, look at that security light, anti-theft system. She thinking she's being stolen.